Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. This is an important message. Please listen. If you watch people's videos, watch in full or do not play it at all. Do not screw with people's analytics. I have showed you proof and I'm still getting low analytics. Here's a video to prove it from yesterday. There is proof right there. People are not playing videos in full. I know some people who are doing it because they're leaving the comments, like 19, like 22, good video. They're not watching the video. If you're not going to watch people's videos, do not push play. Just avoid the video altogether. You do not have to comment on everybody's video. Just leave videos alone if you cannot play in full. Have a great day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe.